Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: Backbone paired to your phone and the Backbone app updated. Next, sign into the Xbox app with the same Microsoft account that owns the console. Once done, put the console in Instant On and enable remote features in settings so the console can wake and stream. Then open the Xbox app and locate the Remote Play option. This sequence lets your phone tell the console to stream. Make sure network and sign in all match to avoid handshake failures. Now connect. Open Backbone and allow microphone and local network access so controller audio and streaming work. Switch to the Xbox app, find your console in the devices list, and choose Remote Play on this device to initiate the stream. Use a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network or wired Ethernet for the console to reduce lag. After the stream starts, adjust in-app video quality toward performance if you see latency. This step is where the phone and console establish a continuous, low-latency finish setup by checking controller mapping and audio levels in the Backbone app, then enter a game to confirm inputs respond. If you encounter stutter or dropouts, lower stream resolution in the Xbox app or move closer to the router. Switching to 5 GHz often resolves jitter. If pairing repeatedly fails, power cycle the console, sign out and back into the Xbox app, and repair the Backbone. One key tip: test a wired console connection once to isolate whether the issue is Wi-Fi or account-related.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.